Hey all, let's see about statistics. Firstly, what is statistics? The general definition is the science of collecting, analyzing, presenting, and interpreting data. In simple way, learning, analyzing, drawing conclusion from the data. Why statistics are important? Let's take an real life example. In weather forecasting, they compare the prior weather data with the current weather data and predict the future weather. And even statistics are the key for the businessmen and the investor, where they usually compare the data of the stock trend. Statistics is divided into two categories: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. The descriptive statistics describes about the data as a form of chart, graph, and etc. And the inferential statistics allows you to make predictions from the data. Let's see the difference between the descriptive statistics and the inferential statistics. Let's say there are 100 people and you ask whether they like ice cream or not. From the answer, you could make a bar chart of yes or no. And even you could describe the data like 70 to 80% of the children likes more ice cream. So in general, we tend to analyze the data and summarize in a meaningful way. That is called as descriptive statistics. Now let's see about inferential statistics. Let's say there are children of population 1 lakh and you have to take a test whether they like cartoon or not. In general, inferential statistics is which allows you to make predictions from the data. So since you can't survey all 1 lakh population, so we take a random sample of 100 and with it we come with the conclusion of 83 of 100 likes cartoon. Now with this data you can draw conclusion for the entire population. It is called as inferential statistics. Question time. Based on a survey, the mean weekly hours of cycling by a student in India is 3.8 hours. Is it a descriptive statistics or a inferential? If you know the answer, kindly mention in the comment section below. If this video gets 100 likes and above, I can make a specific video on hypothesis test and confidence intervals. And lastly, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, which is actually free of cost.